Yeah, when I was 19, maybe before that, I guess I was 17, I don't even properly remember that. I took hip hop as a form of expression because I come from a generation of Kashmiris which had nothing to actually be inspired from. All we saw were millions of Indian guns in the valley. And you know what that does, do you? Millions of AK-47s all around us. That's how we grew up. My generation. Well, the generation before us, they were getting wiped out completely. 95,000, 100,000 statistics don't matter. We lost a lot of people in the valley. And my generation, we were left with nothing. We were left with bloodshed, and we were left to be inspired from martyrs' graveyards, to be really honest. I chose a different path, I chose music. I chose an alien form of expression. When I came out with my first single, people were apprehensive about it, like, what is this? Why is he speaking so fast in English? Why isn't he talking about his issues or whatever his issues are, like in Kashmir? See, my motive was to reach out to people all over the world. Now I'm here in front of you right now. You all know what's been happening in the valley or on both sides of the border. I would like to thank J.K. for giving me the stage and this platform. There's this song by Dave Van Rock. It's an American folk song. I like to sing it. I'm not much of a singer. I'm a hip-hop artist. But considering that I'm seeing Maqbool Bhat Shahid's photographs, I'm not much of a singer, but like I said, this is a song, whenever I hear it, it reminds me of Maqbool Bhat and other Kashmiris who are on death row, who are probably about to be hanged. There are a few Kashmiris who are lying in jails in West Bengal or something. They're going to be hanged soon, so we Kashmiris are not safe. And I have been to Maqbool Bhat Shahid's home. I have seen where he used to, have seen the courtyard. I've been in the playground, like a small courtyard that he has around his house, where he used to spend his childhood at. And to be honest, he was someone's son. And he gave up all of those comforts to fight for something he believed in. And that dream it isn't just of an independent Kashmir, it's a dream of living free. It's a dream of being not under somebody else's rule. And it applies to both sides of the border. So keeping this in mind, I released my debut album. It was called Rebel Republic with a K. And I put Maqbool Bhat Shahid's photograph as its album cover. You can Google it. I was 22 years old and doing something like that in Srinagar, I didn't know what to expect. But after that, in 2013, I released a full EP. It's a small CD of 5 songs, which I dedicated all of those 5 songs to Maqbool Bhat Shahid. And it's available online. It's called Rebel Republic Liberation. So this is my musical journey. I have idolized Maqbool Bhat from the very beginning, but I've also tried to find my own identity at the same time as a person, as a young boy from a different generation. And from that generation, I brought about this music, which is really angry, which is filled with a lot of anger for the way Kashmiris have been treated over the years. I'm sorry, I only talk about the valley. A lot of people will be like, he's only talking about the valley. But I have lived 26 years of my life in the valley. And now this is my first time I'm interacting with the people from the other side of the border. So I'm learning new things, and I'm also at the same time really excited, because this is the time that we can build relations. We can build everlasting relations, and we can help each other in each other becoming stronger and stronger. And we back home in the valley, we need every bit of support. And I would really like to see JKLF prosper in the valley, because there is no other political party out there which represents the idea of independent and free-thinking Kashmir. So this is the reason why I'm here, to be a part of this gathering and to also lend my support to JKLF wherever I am. And I really appreciate it. So now I'm just going to do what I do best. It's hip hop, and probably, you probably won't like it, or maybe you won't feel it or that much. But if you see the expressions on my face, you will understand the place I come from. So just give me 3 or 4 minutes, right?